Hello everyone, this is Robert with HomeCraft. I'm here in Royal Point West in Canton. This is our newest listing. This one's incredible. It's a 4-bedroom, 3 full, 1/2 bath colonial, finished basement, custom back patio. Come check this one out. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this gorgeous Canton colonial. If you have any questions about this property or want to see more photos, there's 3 things you can do. You can text or call us, 734-329-0123. You can email us, sold@homecraftteam.com, or you can visit the subs landing page at www.royalpointwest.com. Thanks and have a good one.